This is Michael from Preferred Properties Landscaping in Cheshire. Just wanted to show you some of the dynamics of building a magnificent entryway for a residential home. As we come up on the stairs, the elevation change from the front steps to the drive, this wandering, meandering path intercepted by a decorative circle at the end just gives delight into the landscape. The bed is far enough out that the walkway is encumbered. It gives you an area to plant sizable plant material and specimen plant material. And this way here, you're keeping all the plant material up off the snow load of the house, and the spatial maturation is very much correct. The plant material is used to guide your homeowner, guest, and persons walking through the landscape, and they have visual interest at each and every corner. There's actually night lighting, and there's fixtures that are focused in amongst the landscape and the focal plants, and also hidden to illuminate the front entranceway. Again, this is a design installation by Preferred Properties Landscaping.